Hey guys, I'm gonna give you 5 quick reasons why you might not wanna become a plumber. Number one, not wasting no time. I've been a plumber for 13 years, so I can give it an in-depth. I've been doing service, commercial, residential, new construction, everything. So I have the experience to back it. So yeah, Jeremy, the plumber. So yeah, first thing, number one, it's hard on the body. It's physical demanding work, so it's going to take a lot from your body. Sometimes you got to lift up 50, 60, 70 pounds of stuff when you have to like all out a water heater from a tight space or a old boiler, or lifting up heavy 4 or 5 inch steel pipe, 4 inch cast iron pipe, especially when you have no help. It's hard on your body. Sometimes working tight space, you're down on your knees and anything like that. So it's hard on your body. So yeah, just keep that in mind, okay? Number two, it's nasty work, especially if you're doing service. I mean, I've been in people place where I start to work and you just see roach running out from underneath the sink. You gotta ask, are they paying rent here? Because yeah, that's all. It's nasty, because you're dealing with the general public. So some people, you know what I mean. So yeah, it's nasty work. You get wet. Sometimes you're doing shutdowns, and people might flush the toilet when you're working on it, even though you tell them not to. But this is more for like service. New construction is more new, fresh. You're putting out brand new stuff. So, when you have to like unclog a toilet when it's filled up with shit, stuff like that. So you get what I'm saying. Okay, so that's number two. Number three, you have to be a people person. Like, you're dealing with the general public, so you have to some, especially doing this is more for like if you're doing service and you're going door to door or anything like that. You have to be a people person, and greet people, treat people with respect, and expect them to do the same. Sometimes you might run into some people who are just might want to look down at you or want to disrespect you, or just people with not good intention, or people just don't like you for a reason. So, but yeah, you just got to be a people person, especially on new construction stuff like that. You have to deal with managers and supervisors and just a lot of architect, engineers, a lot of different kind of people where you just have to be a people person if you want to at least rise up, Okay, number four, especially you're doing new construction and it's a fast turnover, a smaller company, stuff like that. you know they want to turn over the jobs real quick like stars. You're always going to be under pressure. Number four, under pressure. That's something that you're just gonna have to deal with, especially with a boss that just like to push you. Something you might end up working by yourself. You have no help. You have a bunch of stuff to do. Even when you're doing service, sometimes I used to have like 4, 5, 6 jobs to complete, and you're like on a timely base. So you might get a job that say start at 7, and then another client is expecting you at 9, and then another client expecting you at 10, and one jobs you might get hold up. So it's just that thing, you might be under pressure. And that's just another thing that you have to keep in mind. But yeah, number four, under pressure in a lot of different ways. Number five, I know you heard that plumbers make good money, and that's true. I would say I feel that I make decent money. I work in New York City, so my cost of living. But yeah, but number five, low starting pay, especially if you have no experience coming out. You're coming from high school, or you're just an adult, you want to go into the trades and do anything like that, just expect low starting pay. I mean, right now I would say in New York City, whether you're going non-union or no or union, but non-union right now, you're looking at anywhere from like 18 to $22 per hour for an apprentice. So that's what they're gonna give you to start. And yeah, if you're a grown adult and you have family or anything like that, hey, can you survive on $20 per hour? 22? I mean, you could get 25 if you like know all of the stuff, or you're being like a apprentice for like a couple of years or anything like that. But trust me, it's yeah, it's low starting pay. And after that, forget about the money. Learn as much as you can. Money will come. That's the best advice I've got over the years. Learn as much as you can, and money will come. And so yeah, guys, that's the 5 things. I mean, the list could be longer, but I'm not gonna make the video too long, so I'm just giving you the 5 things that you should consider when you're thinking about becoming a plumber. All right, guys. So if any questions, just drop them in the comment below. I'll answer, reply to every comments. So yeah, Jeremy, the plumber, checking out with you guys. Peace.